again, it's a judgment-free zone. We don't have mad blending skills here. We have mature lids where we have to dab dab and pat pat and, you know, swipe swipe here and there very gently. Because if you do it too much, you can go right in. It's gonna skip and it's gonna look crazy. Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today's video, I'll be creating this look right here using a brand new palette that will be releasing this Friday for $8. It is the CColor Cosmetics Savanna palette. I don't know why I keep singing every time I talk about this palette. If you guys don't know what this is a potential dupe for, it is a potential dupe for the Natasha Denona Safari palette that retails for $129. Now, like I said, this is a first impression video, so I will be coming back and doing, is it a dupe or just a waste of money? Putting these two up against each other, but today's video is all about first impressions, friends. So if you're interested to see my thoughts, my opinions, as well as how I created this look that made me a smidge nervous, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here are all of the swatches of the Savanna palette. Look at how gorgeous. I'm absolutely loving this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, talk a little bit about the palette, and of course, get into the first impression application process. Okay guys, so let's talk a little bit about this palette. Y'all, I did receive it in PR yesterday, so it was sent to me complimentary, but you guys know that these videos are never sponsored videos, but I do have an affiliate code for you guys, which is Hotmess10, which will save you guys 10% at checkout on this palette, as well as it does give my family a little bit of a commission. So if you're not down to support my family, don't use the code. But do you guys want to know how much this palette is? Well, do you want to see it first? The suspense, dun dun dun, is insane. Okay, let's just let's just look at the palette. Okay, I'm so sorry guys. First video of the day, and I am crazy excited. I cannot tell you guys how excited I was to receive this palette. I had no idea that they would be duping this right here. Okay, if you guys don't know what palette this is the $129 Natasha Denona Safari palette. Now, is it a dupe or just a waste of money? Friends, will be coming up, but you guys have started to request first impression videos, so that is what this is. This is going to be our first impression of the Savanna palette. Here's an up close and personal look of this gorgeous 15 color eyeshadow palette. You guys, absolutely gorgeous. Number one ingredient is talc, then mica, and I do want to let you guys know this is cruelty free and made in the PRC. You know, we're going to go ahead and create a whole look with this palette. Guess how much this palette is, guys? Do you know how much this is gonna cost? You want to pause the video, leave a comment down below and let me know? Oh my gosh, you guys, this palette is gonna cost you, with my coupon code Hotmess10, $7.20. Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. Yeah, that just happened. That just happened. And I said, how much is this gonna cost? And they're like $8. And I'm like, I love you guys. We love affordable palettes. Makeup, yes. Okay, let me zoom you guys in since I've like spoke so much up close. We are personal, and like I said, this is a first impression, and we are not going up against the Natasha Denona Safari palette. That video comes next, friends. So we're gonna go ahead, start right off, and I think what I'll do is, you guys seem to like the fast forward. Am I in focus? It's always like a standard question that I ask. Pretty sure I'm not, but we're gonna hope that I am. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward through this application process, but I will be pointing to you guys, letting you guys know what colors that I do use. You guys know I make that face. If you've been with me for a while, you know that muted gray, greeny colors really wake me out. This is happening, friends. Y'all expected me to go berry, didn't you? I surprised you. I'm sweating profusely, just so. Okay friends, I'm gonna jump off. I'm gonna add some liner and some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back with my liner, my lashes, and apparently a little bit of perfume. I sprayed a couple spritzes of my perfume up here and I ended up eating it and I'm like, okay. Anyways, let's talk about this palette. Like I said, it's gonna be up on Friday. This coming Friday, the 26th. It's gonna cost $8. However, like I said, code HOTMESS10 will save you a little bit of coin, and you'll get this for $7.20, which I love. Now I know a lot of you guys are probably like shocked, shook, and like don't even know who I am because I chose colors out of this palette for a first impression that you probably thought I never would reach for. I know, I surprised myself. But I'm proud of myself, even though I was like profusely like panicking. You guys know I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't have like mad blending skills by any means, but I have to say I am very, very happy with the way that this look turned out. I know you guys thought that I would use the berries or the warm tones, so I surprised you. We're living on the edge today, but I have to say these muted shades that I used I found to be very, very pretty. I think the look overall is really pretty. As far as the liner goes, I always put like a nude liner on my waterline, and then I do go back in with a black on my tight line, and then of course my mascara and primer and all that good stuff. But I think overall, I think the look is very, very pretty. I do like the way everything performed. I felt like everything built up really nice. It blended out very nice. Again, it's a judgment-free zone. We don't have mad blending skills here. We have mature lids where we have to dab dab and pat pat and, you know, swipe swipe here and there very gently. Because if you do it too much, you can go right in and it's gonna skip and it's gonna look crazy. But don't worry guys, I will be coming back and doing Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money on this, as well as multiple looks. So you're gonna see the berry, you're gonna see the warm shades, and you're gonna see a lot of different things with this. Again, $7.20 has me all kinds of excited. I think this is an amazing quality, great deal. That made no sense as a sentence, but that's okay. We're not here for English or grammar, right friends? Awkward. Okay. As far as the kick up goes or anything, there is a smidge. Very similar to, I'd say, like a Natasha Denona type of shadow. It's not horrible. I always tap my brush no matter what like formula or brand that I'm using. So to me, I didn't have any fallout or anything. Let me get up closer. As you guys can see, there's no fallout or anything, no issues with the look. So, and I use colors that typically will have fallout on there and then makes you look like you've been punched in the face, you know, so we don't like that. But wonderful palette, definitely recommend it. It's going to release, like I said, July 26th, Friday on their website, so definitely make sure to be checking that out. I, of course, will be doing multiple videos with this palette, and if you follow me on Instagram and Twitter, you know I'm going to be like, it's live! Run! Get it! Because it's a Natasha Denona potential dupe. Why would this not sell out fast, you know? So anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, please help your girl out and give me a big thumbs up. Feel free to share our channel or share this video. I would greatly appreciate it. You guys know that if you don't know, I'm gonna tell you, last month I did lose my job. However, I am now doing YouTube full time as of right now, and I have two channels. So I have this channel where I'm uploading 5 to 6 days a week. I have a vlog channel where I talk a lot about keto, some family related content, and I'm uploading there about 5 days a week. So both will be linked. Well, you're already on this one, so the other channel will be linked and listed down below for you guys, as well as the website to CColor Cosmetics. The coupon code HOTMESS10 as well will be listed down there. I greatly appreciate all of you guys' love and support, and if you made it to the end of the video, thank you guys so much for giving me your time. Don't forget, there are 2 giveaways going on right now. That will be linked down below for you guys, so make sure to go over, check out those videos. You have to check out each video individually in order to enter into those giveaways. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.